Alright, hey everybody, and welcome to the first actual video of Xtremer Explosion. Now, before we actually get started with Xtremer and hreffer, we have one thing to cover real quick. So I'm going to bop over to the Xtremer linking strategies. This should be in your main project folder you got when you purchased. And basically, this isn't the whole Xtremer Explosion, but this is basically what the whole SEO campaign is going to be based off of. So you can see you have your money set right here, your high PR social networking sites, Xtremer competitive backlinks blasts, and blah blah blah, all of these. Now this might seem a little bit intimidating at first, but I guarantee you it's going to be really, really easy. So start off, a key part of this whole thing is these high PR social networking sites right here. And to create these, I'm going to hop over to SENuke X right here. You see I've already created a little campaign, and I've started a social networking project. Now, you don't necessarily have to use SENuke X to do this. I know there's a couple other programs that do it. I think one of them is Rank Builder. I think it's a little bit cheaper. And there's Alexander Krulik's Magic Submitter. Or if you really want, you can do it manually. But basically, what this is going to do is create articles with videos and links to your money site. You can see right here that these high PR social networking sites are linking to your money site. And you're just going to create these as sort of like a tier, a linking tier. And I'll explain that more in detail as we get into the later videos. So in order to create these accounts in SENuke X, we're going to have to go New, Account Creation Module, and we'll just hit Enter. Double click on that. And let me make that full screen. And I'm going to pause the video real quick and then enter some settings in here. Alright, and I'm back. I just paused it real quick. And as you can see, what I've entered here is under first name. There's this long list of spun first names. Same with last name, long list of spun last names, and same with username. And I didn't just get these out of nowhere. If you look in your nifty Xtremer package, there should be a text file called spun names, where it'll have a list of first name, last names, and usernames that you can use. And you want to use these to minimize the footprint so it looks like random people are promoting your site and not just one dude. So you can see I've entered password, I've got the email address, and now to sign up, I'm just going to go over here and check select all social network sites, and then you can see right here, down here, there's all these hub pages, Wikispaces, Blogspot selected, and so now we're just going to go start. And I'll pause it real quick, and then when it's done, I'll turn it back on. Okay, so you can see here that it just finished registering and confirming emails. And if you look over here, that's pretty good success rate. Look at only a few of them failed. So we're not going to worry about those failed ones. So now that we've registered, I'm going to get out of that, go back to SENuke, and now I'm going to open up this high PR social networking sites project. And so you can see right here, it's got a little test syntax. You're going to delete that. And like I said earlier in this video, is you want to submit an article that's going to provide value and stay unique, and this is going to point directly to your money site. So what I would recommend, write maybe like a 200 to 300 word article, spin it, and add some random YouTube videos and pictures. So I don't want to bore you, so I'm going to do that real quick, pause it, and then come back when I'm done. Alright, as you can see here, I've written and spun a nice little article here, you can see. And I've got my links at the bottom, and then right here I have some videos and pictures. So I'm just going to go preview a couple sample articles real quick to show you guys what it could look like. So here's the first one, exactly what you can do to get your free free Xbox Live codes. There's a picture and it's linking to the site right there. You can see xboxlivecode.com. And then if we scroll down here, you can see here's the links to my money site. Let me just spin again. And here you go, now there's a video up here. And go over here, give a keyword. It's optional, that's just to look at the keyword density, which is 1.63. Not really going to worry about that. Then you got your tags, subdomain, title, and once you're ready to go, we're going to auto-select categories real quick. So you want to start from most specific to least specific. So in this case, with my Xbox Live codes, maybe my first one would be gaming, and then electronics, and then maybe technology. Forgot an O there. Technology, and then maybe entertainment. And that's pretty much the main categories I can think of. If you can, add as many as you can. I'm going to go select categories now. And you can see if you scroll down here, there are only two actually, but they have the right category. We're going to choose select, deselect with accounts. And you can see, since we had such a great account creation success rate, that most of these here are checked, and when you're ready, just click on start. And it's going to start promoting. So I'm going to pause it real quick so you don't have to watch it promote, and then I'll resume it when it's done. Alright, so now it's done posting, and again, a pretty good success rate if you just look through here. Most all of them get all green check marks. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy this URL list. So the URL is copied to the clipboard, and I'm just going to open up a notepad real quick, and I'm going to paste these in here. And since we want to be organized, I'm going to save this. I'm going to go File, Save As, and let's see, we're going to go to Computer, Local Disk, and then we're going to go to XRumor, and I'm going to save this. I'm going to call this High PageRank Social Network Sites. Okay, so I'm going to go hit save. And now we're pretty much done with SENuke for now, so I'm just gonna exit out of SENuke real quick. And what's really important is we're gonna go back to this XRumor linking strategies diagram that I showed you earlier in this video. And it's really important that you actually print this out, not just, I'm serious about this, actually print it out. And since there's so many websites and links to keep track of, what we're gonna do is just write actually what the name of the file is containing the links is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to print this out, and right here under High PR Social Networking Sites, I'm going to actually write the location and the name of the file. So I'm going to do that real quick. Alright, now I just went and printed it and wrote on it, and I just scanned it back into the computer. So let's take a look at that. The quality's kind of bad, but you can see that I wrote the location, C, XRumor, wrong way, / High PR Social Network Sites. And I know this might seem kind of silly, might seem kind of stupid, but trust me, it's really important, because when we're done with this, we're going to have lots of links lists, and there'll be links everywhere, and if you don't know what is what, you're going to be completely lost. So if you learned anything from this video, it's to keep organized. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.